Hello everyone and welcome to Bevan's Builds. And today's video is going to be how to cut a box into drywall. My wife seems to think it was a very satisfying thing to watch, so I thought I'd make a video on it. So without further ado, let's get to cutting a box. Now, the first thing I would do is I'd measure my existing boxes up here, and it's off camera and you can't see it. But it's 12 inches from my factory edge on the bottom and 13¼ inches from my factory edge on the side. I've already made two small marks here, and I'm going to show you how I do it now. I take my level and I make sure I get it nice and level. My level is in the bubble, so I'll make a small mark here. And then I do the same thing on the vertical mark. Get my level or my bubble in the lines. And then after I do that, I take and put my box there and just do two more lines on the side of it just to give me my general. And then to square the line up and make it nice and smooth, I take my level make our line there, and then we take our level again just to make sure, make our line there. And then, like I said, it's a lot easier to do it if you have a roto zip, but I'm using this particular drywall saw. And what I do, just because I want the hole to be slightly bigger, I always go right on the outside edge of the line. That way I have a little bit of slop when I'm putting it in. So anyway, let's go ahead and get to cutting. Just give it some gentle force, and then once you're in, do our next one. And our last cut. And we have our hole. And then before, like if you watched my drywall video, this is a wrath file. I just come over and I just scuff it a little bit, just to make sure it's nice and square and smooth. And then we mount it on the wall. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. Like I said, I just wanted to show you how I cut in a box. As always, thanks for coming to Bevan's Builds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share below. And we'll see you next time on Bevan's Builds.